I'll now show you how to save a chart as a picture. So first of all, I'll just change this 4-hour chart to a 15-minute chart, and I'm just assuming I've taken a trade and I'd like to take a picture of the level that I took the trade at. So moving across up to File, left click, come down to Save as Picture, left click, and then just make sure Active Chart As is selected and nothing else. Then left click on OK, and it will save it by the currency pair's name and time frame. You can put a date in there as well. And I'm just going to save it in the default location on the platform, but you could save it anywhere on your computer. Come over to Save and left click, and the picture will open up in your Photos app. Okay, so I'll just close that down. So that's how you can save a chart as a picture.